Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. Sometimes when we are making some extremely designer neck piece in the front side, this mistake usually happens that the neck width of front and back part mismatches. So while making this top, I also faced the same error. I don't remember how, but by the time I was about to join the shoulders, I got to know the neck width are not matching. It's having a difference of about 1.5 inches. So at this point, I could have done two things. Either I cut the already made back neck to 1 more inches deeper and attach that part again so that I got same shoulder width, but I don't want to disturb that. So here I choose another method, that is to give a beautiful neck design to my front part, which will enhance its look further. So let's see how I did it. First of all, we need to measure the total length of your neck. So in my case, it's 17 inches. So I'm going to cut a strip which is almost double of this length. I'm taking here 32 inches long fabric. The width you can decide according to your requirements, whatever shorter you are having your neckline. Like I want to add 1.5 inches extra fabric here, so I'm taking 3 inches wider strip. Now mark 3 inches all the way till down. Draw a straight line and cut the fabric. To conceal the raw edges, I am going to do roll hemming or picot. You can also do different colored piping work. This will also solve the problem of deep neck in your ready-made dress. If you have a deep neck, so you can add this strip near the cleavage area only. So this is the front side. Now extend the length of your stitches to the maximum, and without giving the back stitch, just give a simple one line stitch to make the frill. Now pull the back thread like this slowly. Now measure the strip's length. It should be around 17 inches. And now we are going to attach this to our neckline. So this is the wrong side of my top and right side of my strip. Now when you'll turn, it will look like this. You can first check and measure the neck width. It should be 3.5 inches. Same like the back part. And you can pin it also or just sew it directly from the back side. Just adjust the pleats. Make sure the strip is not visible from the front side. So just give around 1/4 inches gap here and give a stitch. Keep your footer up and turn the fabric in this way, and then again adjust the pleats and start sewing. So after sewing, it's looking like this. And now you need to turn this strip to the right side. So turn your top to the right side and adjust the pleats and give one more top stitch to keep the pleats in place. Adjust it accordingly in this way and give a nice top stitch. Just recheck the neck width. Yes, it's 3.5 inches. And now our new neck design is ready. See how beautiful this neck design turned out. I hope you like this tutorial. If you want more such videos, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.